That is a retired police vehicle. My name is Alan, and welcome to the channel. Now there is an interesting combination of items. Lug nuts and fingernail polish remover. Yeah. Alright, so today I think we'll deal with this ugly little duck. Bought some of these off of eBay. I have no idea if they're truly the right size. They just claim that they would work on these. But it does kind of look like they sort of match the OEM ones, so we'll see. Maybe I can get this stupid one off. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this is actually smaller than these. So it doesn't even really fit on the lug wrench really well. Alright, so here's the lug wrench. It's a much nicer fit. Much nicer. Ooh, does fit. Outstanding. You know, it's just little things in life. You know, like when your lug nuts all sort of match. You can get rid of a really ugly one that I guess goes to Impalas that have wheel covers, but I don't know. So this looks proper. And I got 19 more if I want to, you know, change them all out and make them look pretty. I guess, if I wanted to. You know? Getting ready to take this thing off of here, and I don't know if that's coming through on the camera, but there's a lot of little tiny insects on this. Lots of little tiny insects. So I'm not sure if I've ever really showed this antenna really nicely up close, but I guess it's made by Antennex. And that's whatever that is on the inside. I guess that's the connection, but see, it's a little torn up. It's not perfect. It's got some cracks in it. But I was given some suggestions to remove the two with that stuff. So we're going to give it a shot. Oh, and apparently this stuff is extremely flammable, and it is harmful to synthetic fabrics, wood finishes, and plastics. Some kind of plastic, but YouTube says I should use this, so we're gonna give it a try. Yeah, it is indeed nail polish remover, in case anybody was confused. Alright, so what I'm thinking is maybe I'll get myself a little paper towel, nothing too crazy, and just see if I can kind of wipe it on just the blue stuff to hopefully not, you know, damage it, I guess. Yay, paper towel. And look at them long fingernails, man. I should probably cut those. But even if I did, they'd still be ridiculous. Since I know somebody out there is going to have to say something, because every single time my fingernails get even just a little bit long and somebody sees them in a video, somebody comes out of the woodwork and says something about it. Alright, just put a little bit of nail polish remover on this and let's see what happens. It's actually coming right off, which is kind of nice. Couldn't tell you what it's doing to the plastic, if anything, but at least it's getting that ugly blue off of there. So I guess YouTube's done me good today. I mean, by no means is it perfect, but it looks a heck of a lot better than having a big ugly 2 there. I mean, the whole rest of this thing's kind of dirty anyway, but not bad. Just blends in with all the other dirt marks now. And no ugly 2. Or whatever that mark was supposed to be. I guess I can go put it back on the car now. Piece of fender. But yeah, that's what the antenna mount looks like. Another one over there, so I put that antenna on it. And then over here, I actually bought a plug off of eBay and plugged the hole with it. So even on the weekend I can't talk. But that's just a little piece of rubber. It popped in the hole perfectly and plugged it up pretty nice. It's better than the piece of tape that was on there. So there you go. Doesn't look all weird anymore. From a distance you can't even tell because the whole thing's kind of dirty anyway. I would say it doesn't look half bad. Kind of like the look of that antenna. That's pretty cool. I think I'm going to leave that one on there. And as you guys know, that was the other antenna that was on there. I actually had this one on the roof just to kind of cover up that antenna mount so it wouldn't rot. And then that of course is my old spotlight, and that's actually a plug for a Crown Vic right there. So the handle is I guess a brand new handle that was from a new old stock Crown Victoria spotlight. So the spotlight that's actually on the car is a Crown Victoria spotlight minus this handle. So that's why my spotlight looks all new and pretty, but this is the original spotlight to the car. I mean, Unity spotlights are basically the same. Just a little bit difference in the electrical connections, and there might be some difference in the length too here, depending on what kind of vehicle you're sticking it on, but it is. There it is. Yeah, that definitely does not fit in the trunk of the Impala, so maybe I'll have to get a car to put that in. I don't know if I'll go that extreme, but we'll see. I kind of do want a Crown Vic, just so I can have one, because they're such an iconic vehicle. And they're kind of dirt cheap if you can pick them up right. I mean, you know, what, $2,000 if you get them from the auction, if that. So, might be a good idea. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, really appreciate you guys stopping by. Man, thank you guys so much for 600 subscribers. I would have never thought that I was going to get that, you know, a year ago or whenever it was when I was kind of contemplating the idea for this channel. I was looking at that plug and I was like, what the hell is that? And I just realized it's a piece of tape. I thought the plug was like cut off. Yeah, adult ADD, I guess. I don't know. Never been diagnosed, but we'll see. Where was I going with this? Oh yeah, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the video. If you guys liked it, please click like. Yeah, see? I don't know how well you can read that, but you like this? I actually got that off of Facebook a couple years back from some company that was giving them away for like winning some sort of trivia question or something. I don't even remember what it was about, but still got the shirt. But thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. 600 subscribers is amazing. Can't wait to see what happens when I get to 1,000. Might have to get a Crown Rick Auto mystery box and give that away to somebody. Love to all of you. I'll catch you on the next video. Yeah, I should really learn to clean up after myself. Let's go ahead and put this somewhere else. That looks like an excellent place, next to that fan that I removed a long time ago. Isn't that the point of sheds? You just put stuff in there and forget about it?